awesome day. Hello, this is Teacher Kat, your online tutor for today. Always saying never stop learning and I never stop teaching. This video serves as a review on how we distinguish photosynthesis and cellular respiration. And now, let's get started. Materials needed. Activity sheets, a table that consists of 3 columns and 8 rows. And each column has its header. The first one is photosynthesis. At the middle, connection between photosynthesis and cellular respiration. And then the third, cellular respiration. And item strips that contains concepts about photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So each strips labeled A to G. Direction. Given the materials, all you have to do is to put the item strips on the columns, with the correct header, as photosynthesis, connection between photosynthesis and cellular respiration, and cellular respiration. Let's get started. Note, each heading will have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, as you can see on its activity sheets. Before we start, let us have a quick review about photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Photosynthesis. It is a process in which light energy is converted into chemical energy within glucose molecules. Plants, algae, and other photosynthetic organisms capture light energy and use it to produce energy-rich organic molecules. Cellular respiration. It is a process in which living organisms like animals and humans obtain their energy from the bands of food they eat. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's get started. So I have here the first peak. Autotrophs are able to capture energy from the sun to make food during this process. This is photosynthesis. Next, photosynthesis releases oxygen into the atmosphere, and cellular respiration uses oxygen to release energy from food. So this is connection between photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Next, the products of one process are the reactants of the other process. This is connection. Another process that occurs in the mitochondria releases energy by breakdown food in the oxygen. So this is cellular respiration. Next. Includes glycolysis followed by the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain. Cellular respiration. Each process uses the products of the other to continue the cycle of energy flow in organism. Connection between the two. Includes the anaerobic process, alcoholic fermentation, which produces alcohol and carbon dioxide. Cellular respiration. Requires 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water, and energy from light to produce glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. This is photosynthesis. Next. Includes lactic acid, fermentation that occurs in muscles when there is not enough oxygen needed to perform an activity. So, fermentation. So, this is for cellular respiration. Okay, opposites of each other. Connection between the two. Next, leaves appear green because the pigment chlorophyll reflects green light. So this is for plants. So definitely photosynthesis. Process occurs in this chlorophyll. Chloroplast. Photosynthesis. Next, requires glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen to produce 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 water molecules, and energy. That's this cellular respiration. Next item. Process may be affected by changes in temperature, light intensity, or amount of available water. Photosynthesis. Letter F. Okay, next. Letter C. Photosynthesis removes carbon dioxide from the air and cellular respiration puts it back. So this is a connection between the two. Okay, so this is an illustration, the circle of life, connection between photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Okay, so this is for the photosynthesis from the plants, and then this is human eating the corn, so therefore this is the connection between the two. Okay, next one. Includes two reactions, light-dependent reaction and the Calvin cycle, or the light-independent reaction or dark reaction. Okay, this is photosynthesis. Okay, next item. Okay, photosynthesis withdraws energy and cellular respiration deposits energy. Connection between the two. Okay, next. Produces 36 ATP molecules per glucose. Cellular respiration. Okay, the mighty mitochondria. So this is for cellular respiration. So mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse in the cell. So this is the site of cellular respiration. And we have here the last item, the green chloroplast machine. Okay, so of course this is for the photosynthesis, the site of photosynthesis. Okay, so this is how we distinguish photosynthesis and cellular respiration. I hope you learn a lot from this video on how to distinguish photosynthesis and cellular respiration from this simple activity. And for more topics and basic science concepts, okay, please subscribe, watch the full video, and comment on this channel. Okay, so once again, this is Teacher Kat, always saying, never stop learning, and I never stop teaching. Bye-bye!